This video is for the Sassy Ladies 11th Annual Hip Hop Heart Awareness Affair that was originally started by Dr. Evelyn Thornton. And I am very pleased to be here for the 11th year. I'm sorry I cannot be there in person, but I definitely wanted to participate so that you can understand why this kidney doctor is talking to you during Heart Health Month. You see my crew here, my staff? Go ahead. What you guys have for me today?
Dr. Washington, if you don't mind me asking, why are we discussing kidney disease right now? It's February month.
That's an excellent question. And the reason that I like to talk about kidney disease during this particular month is the number one cause of death in my patients who have kidney disease or even have diabetes and high blood pressure that led to their kidney disease are heart attacks. Most of my patients walk around, they don't even know that they have kidney disease. Some don't even know that they have high blood pressure. And like you're going to find out during this presentation, some patients didn't even know they had heart disease. But they are all part of the same circulatory system. So where one is affected, chances are the others are affected. Whether they're on a dialysis machine, whether they have received a kidney transplant, or whether they just see me in their office because they have stage 1, 2, 3. They die from either a stroke or a heart attack. Good question.
Unit is where I do not want you to end up on. This is what drives my passion. This is why I'm doing these slides, because I truly do not enjoy placing you on a dialysis machine. You don't see death every day like I do. And part of my passion is to share with you some measures of what we can do to avoid me having to place you on a dialysis machine. I'm a woman myself. I'm talking to you as if you're my sisters, as if you are my mother. Most of these diseases that exist in this country are preventable.
The number one cause of kidney failure in my patients, and actually in the world, is diabetes. And the number one cause of diabetes, at least in this country, is obesity.
And last question, how does your plant-based program, Dr. Washington, help prevent chronic diseases?
Yes, a diabetic person does not have to be obese. Therefore, you know it's the food they eat. This is why I created my Reversing Medical Disease program, the plant-based program. If I really want my patients to improve their health, slow down the progression of disease, or reverse it completely, then I need to spend time to talk to you on how to prepare your meals differently. So yes, in my plant-based program, I have patients who have done it 100%, and they are no longer needing blood pressure medications. Their salt intake is less than 2 grams a day, and their blood pressure is controlled. Yes, I have patients who've done the plant-based diet, and their kidney functions went from a stage 4 to a stage 2. They no longer need diabetic medicines either. Their insulin actually works. It can take the sugar inside the cell. I can't get rid of your diabetes with that baked salmon. I don't care if it's from Alaska or Norway. Studies show that I can reverse your diabetes with a plant-based diet. I cannot reverse your diabetes or your obesity with avocado oil or olive oil, but I can help you lower your fat and get your insulin to work again with a real avocado. Only 2 tablespoons though, because that's the enough fat for the entire day. Or with real olives added to a kale salad. Yeah, then I can improve your insulin to work. I can improve your insulin sensitivity. I can help decrease the inflammation that is making those arteries wall so bad that cholesterol's got a plaque up on it and block it up to try to heal it. but not with those beef nachos and jalapenos. I want to thank the Missouri Lynx for inviting me. 11th year. Congratulations, ladies.
With large breasts, drop down, give me 10, strengthen your pecs. Not a 6-pack, but a Tootsie Roll. It's just not healthy, all that fat's gotta go. Too much fat. It's too much fat. It's just not healthy. A sexy body is a healthy one. With strength that lasts, you can beat out anyone. Your natural beauty from the food you eat. Don't forget your rest and your water to drink. When your assets are not cash, need to work those glutes to the max. Just so unbelievable. It's just not healthy. It's too much fat. Fit and fat, no such combo. Out of breath, can't dance the mambo. Increase your risk of cancer. Higher strokes, heart attacks, death from COVID, renal failure. A sexy body is a healthy one. With strength that lasts, you can beat out anyone. Your natural beauty from the food you eat. Don't forget your rest and your water to drink. A sexy body is a healthy one. With strength that lasts, you can beat out anyone. Your natural beauty from the food you eat. It's not healthy, it's too much fat.